Hello my dear students, how are you? Again, nice to see you. As you know, my name is Mrs.Hadeel from Koshish Basic Private School. Today we talk about some English, some subject from English Sunrise, okay? Let's start it, guys. In here, we talk about Unit 15, okay? Unit 15. We have some pictures in here from family. Okay, from family. From what? From family. Okay, in our family, as you know guys, we have some members. In here we talk about family member. Let's see who is in family member. Okay, number one, mother, father. Sorry, number one, mother. Number two, father. Number three, sister. Number four, brother. Number five, grandmother. Number six, grandfather. Number seven, aunt. Number eight, uncle. Okay, I'm going to read it one more time. You have to repeat it after me, please. Okay, number one, mother. Father. Sister. Brother. Grandmother. Grandfather. Aunt. Uncle. Okay, let me read it one more time. Repeat it after me, please. Okay, come on, repeat it. Okay, number one, mother. Father. Sister. Brother. Grandmother. Grandfather. Aunt. Uncle. I'm going to read it one more time. Repeat it after me, please. Mother. Father. Sister. Brother. Grandmother. Grandfather. Aunt. Uncle. Okay guys, now let's go to what's in the next slide. Okay, in here we have reading. Okay, let's read. Number one, this is our house. This is our house. Number two, these are my pictures. Okay, number three, where are your yo-yos, Sirwa? Number three, where are your yo-yos, Sirwa? Look at this question mark, guys. Okay, number four, they are in this room. Look at this lovely yo-yo. Okay, let's read it one more time. Number 1. This is our house. This is our house. Number 2. These are my picture. My picture. Number 3. Where are your yo-yo? Where are your yo-yos, Surwa? Number 4. They are in this room. They are in this room. Okay guys, this part is just talking about the reading. You have to read it at home and read it for me again. Now, let me read it one more time for you. After that, you have to repeat it then. Number 1. This. Number 1. This. 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 Is. Our house. Number 2. These are my pictures. Number 3. Where are your yo-yos, Surwa? They are in this room. Okay, now let's go to next slide. Okay guys, in here I want to talk about something really important. How many subject pronouns do we have? 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this subject pronoun, they have possessive adjective. Okay, possessive adjective. What are the possessive adjective? Subject pronoun, we have I. We change I for my. I, my. I, my. He, his. He, his. She, her. She, her. It is. We, our. You, your. They, their. Okay, and we have write my, your, or our. Okay, we have to choose my, your, our. The girl talking about these two person. Okay, this is your father. She said this is your father. She talking about the boy and says that is your father. She said, look at her finger. That is your father. That's your father. Okay, in here, this is my mother. She said, this is my mother. In here, that is our house. What the meaning house? Look at here, this is house. Okay, I'm going to read one more time. That is your father. That's your father. This is my mother. That is our house. That is our house. Okay? Let me repeat it again, guys. This page is really important. Okay? This page we talk about change subject pronouns into possessive adjective. Okay, how we gonna change it? We have 7 subject pronoun. Okay, how we going to change? Let's see. I, my, he, his, she, her, it, it is, we, our, you, your, they, their. Okay, guys, now let's go to next part. Okay, in here we talk about unit 16. Okay, we have some word in unit 16. Unit 16. Number 1, watch, watch, watch. Number 2, bag, bag, bag. Number 3, bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. This is number 3, bicycle. Number 4, CD, 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 CD. Number 5, magazine, magazine, magazine. Number 6, mobile phone, mobile phone. Sorry, mobile phone, mobile phone. Okay, I will going to repeat it one more time. Watch, 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 watch. Bag, bag, bag. Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. CD, CD. Magazine, magazine. I want to repeat it again. Watch, watch, watch. Bag, bag, bag. Bicycle, bicycle. CD, CD, CD. Magazine, magazine. Mobile phone. Okay, guys, let us go to next part. In here, look at this boy and look at this girl. Number 1, you have to write it actually, guys. I will write it, I fill in it for you, but you have to write it into your notebook because this one's really important. Okay, number 1, he's looking at a watch. Okay, he is looking at a watch. Look, this is watch. He is looking at a watch. Number 2, he isn't listening to a CD. He isn't listening to a CD. Is he listening to a CD? No, of course. That's why it says he isn't listening to a CD. Number 3, he isn't riding a bicycle. A bicycle. Number 4, she's looking in a bag. What she's doing? Looking in a bag. Number 5, she isn't reading a magazine. She isn't reading a magazine. Number 6, she isn't talking on a mobile phone. Okay, guys, one more time. He's looking at a watch. Number 2, he isn't listening to a CD. Number 3, he isn't riding a bicycle. Number 4, she's looking in a bag. Number 5, she isn't reading a magazine. Number 6, she isn't talking on a mobile phone. Okay, now let's go to next part. Choose. In here we have this boy and this girl and a bicycle and a cat. Let's see what they're going to talk about it. We have hair. Number 1, hair is there. Watch is yellow. Do you see yellow watch? Yes, look at here, yellow watch. Hair watch is yellow. Hair watch is yellow. Hair watch is yellow. Hair watch is yellow. Okay, number 2, his hair there. His hair there. Bag is brown. Who had a bag? The girl or the boy? Of course the boy get brown bag. Okay, his bag is brown. His bag is brown. His bag is brown. Look, brown bag. Number 3, his hair there. Bicycle is gray. Guys, this bicycle they're going to use together. Okay, that's why they say their bicycle is gray. Their bicycle is gray. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I finished. I hope to see you in Zoom programs. See you. Goodbye. Bye bye.